I've made all sorts of work supports, and each has its own shortcomings. If I clamp them to the bed, the T-slots aren't always in an ideal position. If I don't clamp them, they can shift due to machine vibration. So the question is, can I make something that clamps anywhere on the bed and also locks the adjustable height without tools? Here are some height preset columns that attach to the bed. As you can see, they offer two height settings, one level with the vice base and the other set to match a known set of parallels. Although they can be clamped to the bed, they're not always exactly where you need them. This box-style support is great for quick setups, but it can't be fixed to the bed. Even my end-stop support bracket, which is set level with the vice bed, isn't height adjustable. For precision applications, I sometimes use my precision ball screw support, but that's mainly for inspection and layout work. Its top surface stays accurately parallel through its full range, but it's not ideal for general use. For larger parts and taller setups, I have this pair of 10-start supports. Again, they can't be clamped to the table. Finally, I've made a new solution. A pair of lockable, adjustable supports that can be clamped anywhere on the bed without using tools. Turning the magnet on not only secures the support to the bed, but also locks the height adjustment ring from rotating. Here's how they work. First, I set the height. Then I move them into position. And finally, I simply turn on the magnet to lock everything in place. Now, let's look at the build process. Step 1 is to grind the magnetic blocks precisely square, so they can also double as reference squares. I use an internal threading bar borrowed from the lathe to thread mill a 1.5mm pitch thread on the block corners. The riser tubes are machined from one end first. After adding the magnetic jaw pads, I reverse the bar and repeat the operation on the other side. Next, I set up the Angest threading unit to provide an automatic depth stop during internal threading.